Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, Renee. Welcome to my channel. Right now, I'm in the middle of filming 2 snippets for 2 different videos. One is a wash and go, showing y'all how I got my wash and go, and the other video was for my new bag. Got this new branded Blackwood bamboo bag for my birthday. So freaking cute. So, alright y'all, my man's up here. He got ready to take some pictures for me for the thumbnail. And I think we about to go get a snowball or something to eat. So, I'll be right back. Yeah. Hey, y'all. So, we about to go get my, well, I don't know, a good snowball stand right now that's open. I am a snowball connoisseur. And I am very picky about my snowballs. So, I'm just going to get something from Rita's right now. I am feeling this hair though, y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. I don't like this angle, but I don't want to show like the background. Hey y'all, looking all kind of crazy. This is the second week of me having red hair. I wash, condition, deep condition, blow dried, and trim some more of my hair because I wanted more layers. My hair was one length, and now I don't know what to do with my hair. So I'm just sitting here hot because I blow dried my hair out. I hate when I blow dry my hair and then I don't do a style on blow dried hair because that's a waste. I feel like if I want to do a wash and go, why would I even take the time to blow dry my hair? But I needed to because, like I said, I wanted to trim my hair. I think I did a pretty good job. My hair was one length for a very, very long time. And now that I want to wear my hair out more often, I felt like I need some type of layers to give me a different look. Also, since I colored my hair, I was like, you know what? If I still have hair on my head by the end of the week, I'm going to go and buy some products to make sure I keep this hair that's on my head. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and watch a video. I don't even know what I'm going to title it. Something about me dyeing my hair, what not to do if you don't want to go bald, which I'm surprised I'm not. So let me knock on some wood somewhere and not keep saying it. So I ran to Sally's and Walmart and got some hair products that I felt like that should help with color treated hair. I'm not going to say color damage because my curls are still here for the moment. But girl, all that stuff I did to my hair, yeah, I'm trying to make sure that we good. First, let's start with the styling products. I did a wash and go last week. I didn't do a video on it because I wanted to make sure that I still had hair in my head if I like it and everything. So I would do a video on the wash and go soon. But these are the 2 products that I use on my wash and go. When I first went natural and I first did my first ever wash and go, this is what I use. Cream of Nature's Argan Oil from Morocco for Naturals Twist and Cream Pudding. This right here was my go-to product. I used to use this without any gel. Smells so good. It did my hair justice, curls popping, pretty, everything. But since I didn't know if I was going to have curls or not, I used this gel. I already have 2 bottles. This is the brand new one that I brought. But I do love this gel. This is African Pride, Aloe, and Coconut Water Hydrate Curl Defining Gel. And my wash and go was so freaking pretty using these 2 products, both from Walmart. Yeah, I'm going to do something to my hair. I'm freaking hot already. Let me, So when I was trying to correct the color in my hair, I was watching a lot of girls on YouTube videos and seeing what products they use. Garnier Whole Blend Soothing Conditioner. So I got the shampoo as well. I used both of these last night when I shampoo and conditioned my hair, and it felt really good. I do like them. And they had a coupon, so I think it was like buy 2 of their products, you get $3 off. I don't know, something. So I just grabbed this one as well. This is a repairing shampoo. Need anything that has repairing in it. So it's repairing shampoo, honey treasure, royal jelly honey, extract. It says repairs and men's dry damaged hair, natural blend. Haven't tried this one yet, but I can't wait to try this. This is not my first time I had color. Plenty of colors, a lot of colors in the past. So I remember I needed to purchase anything that has to do with, if it's a dry damage, even though my hair wasn't, I just didn't want it to get to that point. Since I had color, I always brought products that was specifically for people with damaged hair or color treated hair. Then this used to be my staple back in the day, Alpha G's Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. I used this last night and I forgot how much I love this. I think because my hair wasn't color treated or chemically damaged, so I stopped using it. But you can use this every now and then. Anything with protein, you don't want to do too much of a protein overload. And I am one of the people who love to put like deep conditioners in or conditioners in and go to sleep. Wake up the next morning and rinse it out. But with protein treatments, you don't want to do that. Whatever it says on the bottle, the recommended time to use it, stick to that time. Don't keep it in any minute longer because it's protein. The protein, if you overuse protein, that can be damaging to your hair as well. So you don't want to cause damage while you're trying to repair your hair. Anyway, I love this one. I like the way it smells. It smells amazing. It's only 2 minutes. If you have really damaged hair, I recommend 5 minutes. The edge, strength, and softness in one step. Quick and effective against heat and chemically damaged hair. This is another product that I used to use from Alpha G. I didn't care for it too much. I don't remember it helping my hair, but I don't remember it hurting it either. So I thought, why not use it again? This is a keratin green tea. Alpha G's keratin and green tea restructurizer. You can spray this on tail dry hair, comb gently with wide tooth comb style as usual. I did use a leave-in conditioner last night. I just sprayed this on my hair, put 4 jumbo bantu knots on top of my head, let it air dry, and lightly blow dried it out just now, and then trimmed it again. But it strengthens instantly, builds body, protects color, and chemical services. Shea Moisture, Manuka honey and yogurt, hydrate, repair, protein powder treatment. I had this previously, but I liked it, I guess. The only thing I don't like is that it's a small bottle, and I want to say it was around $13. I'll probably get 2 uses out of this. Might not buy that again. Strengthen Silk Instant Conditioning Mayonnaise with coconut oil and silk. I don't recall using this before. Relax and natural for dry, weak, brittle hair. Helps prevent breakage by strengthening and repairing dry, damaged hair. Follicles hair to feel softer and healthier from root to tip. Like I stated, since I have color treated hair, I always buy products that say it caters towards color treated or color damaged. If I say damaged, then that's what I'm gonna get because I'm trying to prevent my hair from being damaged. Haven't tried that before, but I will give it a try. This was cheaper than this, and you get way more. And I got one more thing. This has nothing to do with hair, so all of that was what I got, because like I said, I am trying to get this hair back to how it used to be. It ain't bad, but I'm just trying to make sure my hair doesn't get damaged, put it like that. This is a heat protectant that I use to blow dry my hair. It is from TRESemmé Keratin Smooth. This is the last thing I got yesterday from Sally's. One of the ladies I follow on YouTube, I forgot her name, Nessa, I think it's her name. She is a makeup artist, and she used this spray, silver sparkly body and hair spray. She was doing makeup on mannequins, which I was like, it's all types of ways to get money up out here. So she's a makeup artist, and she was doing makeup for a mannequin that she was sending to a client. So someone wanted her to put makeup on a mannequin and paid her for it. She used this for like the highlighter on the mannequin cheek, but then she sprayed it on her arm, and I was like, oh, that is pretty. In the summertime, I'm wearing 2 tops, spaghetti strap shirts. I would like to spray this on my chest and a nice glistening look. No, I gotta let it dry. It has a light smell to it. It smells pretty good. You see it? It's still wet a little bit, but you see how it was glistening? It's nothing crazy, but once I put, like, you know, body oil on and I spray this on, it reminds me of, you see it? Going on vacation or something, and I want to have a nice little sparkly glow. But it reminds me of back in the day. My hair's reverting because I'm so hot up here. Back in the day when we used to have like little glitter roller balls, just to roll it on our chest and our shoulders. Anyway, so that is all the products that I got yesterday and over the weekend for my hair. I'm going to continue with this hair growth journey that I'm on. I just wanted to trim my hair, put a little color to it because I am pretty bored with my hair. So these are all the products that I got yesterday. Did I just trim my hair? Yeah, I just trimmed my hair just now. So this is the hair that I trimmed today. I trimmed that. And this is from last week. Trimmed that. And like I said, I had a wash and go last week, so I was cutting off a couple pieces throughout the week. It felt good. Ooh, my hair felt good. I've had color damage in the past. Maybe I'll do a video on that. But it was from me doing the most with my hair. This time, I'm not even putting no more color on my hair after that fiasco we went through last weekend. This is the color it's going to be, and when it rinses out, oh well. But now I need to figure out what I want to do to my hair. I might put some rods on. Rods. I think I'm gonna rod my hair. My man is vacuuming. If you hear that noise, my bad. But today is hump day. Literally, it's Wednesday, tired, and I don't feel like cooking. So, my thing was all wrinkled. It's about to be a Trader Joe's type of night. I'm going to eat this shiitake mushroom chicken. I'm going to heat that up in a skillet. And then I'm going to eat these chicken spring rolls. White meat chicken, basil, garlic, and ginger. Love ginger. Usually when on the back of the packaging, when they say it takes 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes, keep coming up with stuff. I usually add about 5 to 10 minutes to it because it don't usually be cooked to my liking. Let me go here and put this in the oven.